Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. If you like cryptos, you like dividend stocks, you like passive income, building financial freedom and generational wealth, this is the channel for you guys. All right, shout out to everyone that's subscribed to the channel. If you're new, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, guys, documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, everything to do with passive income and building financial freedom. So come along this insane journey. We're just getting started. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, all right? So please be careful. Don't take what I say as financial advice in these videos. Let's get straight into a community tab. Here are obviously some old coins that I put up, which I think will 10x very soon, guys. Cardano, 54% of you said yes. Sand, 11%. Atlas, 3%. I'm going to talk about gaming tokens today because I really think this space is going to explode this year. Literally is one sector in the crypto world that hasn't mooned. Honestly, it hasn't. GALA, 16%. Others comment below, and that's out of 640 votes. So I won't get into all of them because the comments are pretty full on. Let's go straight into Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. For those of you who are new, please feel free to use the referral link below. Do your own research, but if you do, you can get $10 in Bitcoin. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? I think it's going to hit $100,000 plus very soon, guys. It's coming. We are coming out of the January holiday period, guys, so there's a lot of consolidation going around with institutional investors. So I think it's going to easily hit 100,000 US dollars very soon. Let's get into it. Almost 60,000, 59K Australian, guys. AUD, by the way, Australian dollars. Ethereum 4,596, BNB 681. Cardano is still pumping, up 13.85%, $2.26. It is still undervalued, guys. Honestly, it really is. It's an incredible project that's got a big future ahead of it, and it could overtake Ethereum. And I believe it has in volume and transactions as well, which is really good. Solana's at $201, XRP $8.09, Luna $111, DOT $36, Dogecoin 24 cents, AVAX 124, Matic as well, I'm very bullish on. It is at $3.18. Shiba Inu is down, Crow 63 cents, Link is at $34, Near Protocol down as well, $25. I've still seen some insane gains on Near Protocol, by the way. Algo's at $1.93. FTM as well is down 8%, guys, to $4.20. Could be a good entry point if you're looking for that. XLM 36 cents, incredibly bullish and undervalued on XLM. FTT $63. Manas $4.14, good entry point. Hedera 38 cents, incredibly cheap. VeChain is at 10 cents. Come on. That's ridiculously priced, guys. It's really good to add your bags and dollar cost average into it. Axie Infinity, 109. Sand is at $6.56. Here we go. Harmony 1 is down 5.77% to 46 cents. Let's have a look here. Some other ones here. IOTA's $1.66. That's up 3.82% today. The graph is at 78 cents. I'm looking to add more of the graph. Gala Games, I'm going to be talking about that one as well. 43 cents. Let's have a look here. ENJ is another one. $3.33. Gaming project, guys. Really cool. Quant, $230. Quite expensive, but again, this is an insanely big project, guys. It's got a lot to do with the banking sector, so it is going to be a big project in the future. Some other ones here. Cello's at $6.56. Oasis Network, 74 cents. Let's have a look here. My other one here, obviously XDC, 12 cents. Banking coin, massive utility, trade finance. It's going to be, going after that sector, which is a mega sector for finance and banks, guys. So again, part of the ISO 222 banking coins, although some clarification came out about that, blah, blah, blah. I'm still very bullish on these banking coins because I think come August and November this year, we're going to see some pretty incredible price rises, guys, because of the utility aspect of these coins. Anyway, let's go straight into the news because there's a heap of stuff going on here. Crypto bubbles today. Obviously, you've got Alt pumping 174%. Rose is just changed to 38%. Secret is still up to 59%. Omi's up 37% as well. VV app is incredible. A lot of NFTs coming out on VV, so keep an eye on that space. ADA's still at 37%, FTM 32%, BTT 24%, CVX is at 15%, FTT 17%, guys, and that's pretty much it, guys. Doge is still up there as well, so they're the top performing altcoins at the moment. Some interesting stuff about in relation to XRP. Ripple at risk of 25% correction. I'm not really worried about any correction here, guys, at all. I'm still dollar cost averaging into XRP Ripple. I mean, the case is still ongoing. A potential resolution to this case is coming, August, September this year. So nothing but time, dollar cost averaging into it. I've got a feeling that Ripple will win this case or settle in some form or, way to get clarity on this project, guys, as it is not a security. So we'll wait and see what happens there. XRP Ripple sees bulls unable to hold 78 cents as pressure mounts to the downside. XRP could test the green supporting trend line as soon with a possible pennant break to the downside, guys. So again, just dollar cost averaging into XRP because I think this project is going to be an incredible project this year. Cardano is surging still, guys. So it surges on the Sundaeswap DEX catalyst, guys. So they launched this Sundaeswap, which is interesting, guys. It's still pumping at the moment. Here you go. The moment we've all been waiting for has finally come. We're excited and proud to share that Sundaeswap and the ISO will be launching on the evening of Thursday, the 20th of January, which today is the 18th, so a couple of days away. That's probably the reason why it's pumping up as well. Some other stuff here, guys. Al Jazeera's putting articles on Cardano as well. This is a major news network. So Cardano is outperforming rivals Bitcoin and Ethereum, so which is really nice. So Cardano's ADA token has surged in the past week, even as the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum traded sideways amid some promising developments on the blockchain. ADA has risen 30% in the past 7 days according to pricing from CoinGecko, while Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and XRP have advanced less than 5%. That comes after data from Masari. Have a look at Masari.io, guys, because it's really cool, guys. One could quite easily argue that the NFT market has found a gaslight way to transact, and that is Cardano blockchain. Said Hayden Hughes, Chief Executive Officer of Alpha Impact, a social media platform for crypto traders. Many have argued that it's the only meter of time before gas fees congestion clog up the Cardano blockchain, which is going to be interesting, guys, because, I mean, if gas fees start hitting the Cardano blockchain, I think a lot of people are going to be turned off, just like Ethereum. The Ethereum ones are ridiculous at the moment. So, but despite the $5.31 billion in daily activity, we have not yet seen this. So again, Cardano is still on this upward trend. Some other stuff here, guys. Metaverse projects. This is what is obviously launched on the Cardano blockchain here. So Metaverse project Piava debuts on the Cardano blockchain. I haven't looked into this, obviously, but this is really interesting, guys. So the project Piava is similar to Decentraland, but there is one big difference. It is being built on proof of stake, which is really interesting. So Metaverse is still in its infancy, guys. Metaverse and gaming is going to be very big this year. Keep an eye on this space because there's some really good buying opportunities for gaming coins right now, play to earn as well. So while Ethereum-based Metaverse games such as the Sandbox has seen an exponential transaction, investors are also looking at building projects upon stable proof-of-stake networks such as Cardano. Interestingly, one of the idiosyncratic catalysts to ADA's latest rally is its addition. As a matter of fact, Pavia's, whatever you want to call it, entry into the Cardano ecosystem comes at a time when its native crypto asset, ADA, has suffered a consistent downward pressure amidst the market-wide rout. But the NFT activity on top of the network provided a much-needed push to the token, which is really nice, which jumped by nearly 14% in the last 24 hours and currently trades at the $1.55 USD. Metaverse on Cardano. This is going to be big, guys. I would love to see this up to the Sandbox levels and Mana, and I'm sure it's going to happen, guys. So Pravia, a recently launched gaming application on the Cardano blockchain, has some pretty big plans here for this year. So far, the project had issued at least 100,000 land parcels, which could be a lot cheaper alternative to Sandbox and Mana. Each is being minted as a uniquely numbered Cardano NFT CFNET based on the coordinates. More than 60% of the land parcels were pre-sold in October and November last year, and the rest slated to go on sale in the current quarter. So this is going to be mega. Keep an eye on this space here. Some other stuff here, guys. 5 gaming cryptos to watch in 2022. Some other ones here. GALA Games is one that I'm definitely going to be adding more into. It's undervalued. It's an incredible project. Star Atlas. I was going to get into Star Atlas a few months back. Prices were peaking at around 25 to 30 cents AUD, so I didn't really buy into it. But now they're at, like, last night I checked, it was at 7 cents USD, so it's incredibly undervalued and cheap right now. Yield Guild Games is another one here. Immutable X as well, and ENJ. Play to earn games is going to be a big part of this year. It's literally one sector that hasn't pumped like, the NFT space, the metaverse stuff. It's one sector in the crypto industry that hasn't gone parabolic. So gaming's very big. This is Star Atlas's website. I mean, you can buy NFTs like spaceships and stuff. It's really cool. You can see on the screen. You can buy the spaceships. You can fly them around, play to earn, sell them as NFTs as well. create your own world in this alien world. It's pretty cool, guys. I mean, there's some awesome characters on here. And stuff's being already sold for thousands of dollars, like these spaceships that you can buy on here, which is really cool as well. So that's Star Atlas. Obviously, GALA Games is another one as well. They've already got a whole heap of games on their platform, which is really good, guys. So I'm just going to go into games here. Town Star, The Walking Dead Empires, Miranda's here, Legacy, Last Expedition, Echoes of Empire, Spider Tanks, Fortified. And also, if you're looking to buy a node, which is something that I would love to have done, but look at the price here, 305,000 GALA. That is a lot of money, guys. Wow. But if you're holding this, guys, you will earn passive income from those nodes. So those who got in early will be seeing some really good gains from that, guys. So the gaming projects, guys, are going to be big this year. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into them now while they're still cheap, which is really nice. Here's crypto Twitter today, guys. Binance launched Wrapped XRP. Really fascinating to see this, guys. Obviously, Binance has launched this just today, basically. It's the 17th. So Binance has completed the WRXRP integration and has opened deposits on WXRP on Ethereum ERC20. It's probably a workaround, which is really good. Please find your assigned XRP deposit address on Ethereum network ERC20. So this is going to be fascinating to see what happens here with XRP. This just came out before. Breaking news, Jack the Rippler breaking in the US Securities and Exchange Commission. SEC must provide documents to the lawsuit against Ripple. This is going to be fascinating, guys. The truth is coming for XRP. It is not a security. US Blockchain Association Ripple is giving the SEC more trouble than anyone in crypto, even more than Musk, which is very true. Check this out here, guys. At 40,000K in 2021, extreme greed. At 40,000K in 2022, we're in extreme fear at 10, which is really interesting to see this. I'm not sure why. Actual fact, I saw an interview with Plan B on, I think it's Savvy Finance. I watched that because I watched Raoul Pal. And Plan B basically clarified a lot of what's happening in the market in terms of, why we're seeing such a price drop. And basically, the banning and, holding crypto assets in China is being banned. So a lot of people had to sell off their assets in China, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, all their crypto assets. It's basically illegal to hold them and sell them. All the exchanges got taken down. So a lot of volume, Chinese wallets over there are, not holding any cryptocurrencies because it's illegal to do so. So that's probably the reason why Plan B basically said we're seeing this downtrend at the moment. Also, the mining side of things as well has been hit pretty hard. The sell-off has been completed apparently as well. So we could start to see the market go upwards, which is really nice. So we'll see what happens there. Credible Crypto, can't wait for the fifth and final wave of this Bitcoin cycle to get underway. Yes, I agree. Probably just going to get a bunch of snacks, chill in my room, hit refresh as my net worth increases faster than it has ever in my life. And I agree with you, man. 100%. I think we're going to be seeing an insane year this year. Just have patience and sit back and wait it out. And that's pretty much it for the news on Twitter. Let's go into TradingView quickly because I just want to have a look here. I'm still checking out this chandelier trading indicator. It's been really good, guys. So on Harmony One paired with Bitcoin, it's got a buy signal here, guys. So I'm waiting for here. Still hasn't shown up a sell signal on the daily. Let's just have a look at some other ones here. Cardano, just going to get into this. Wow, look at that green candle that's gone massively high. Ridiculous, guys. So it's been a huge buy signal, which is really good. Really good indicator. For those of you looking, it's the chandelier signal here. I'll link it below so you can actually check it out for yourself. But it's basically has been really good in terms of buy and sell signals if you're looking into this stuff. Other than that, I've just been keeping an eye on TradingView to see what's happening there on the dailies and the hourlies. So it's been pretty good, guys. I'm still getting used to this, the technical analysis stuff in terms of what's going on here, guys. So trading signals, guys, I'm still learning all this stuff. So bear with me on this. Let's go straight into 3 commas at the moment. Let's have a look, see what's going on here. We've got $1,564 down slightly today. It's made me $3.31 in profits. Today, total profit's $82, so it's going up really nice. I've got $2 cost averaging bots set up. You can check here, guys, Hearn Pro signal. I'm using USD tethered to Binance.com and Block Party signal as well. One of them got 5 deals and the other one got 15. Here are my current deals at the moment going really nicely. I just let it do its thing, guys, and it just, obviously when the market picks up, it takes profits, which is really good. The bot's incredible. It's secure. It's safe. I've been using it now for months. It's really nice. Check it out. I'll leave a link below and a video on how to set up a dollar cost averaging bot for those of you who want to have a look at it. Let's go into the metaverse projects quickly, guys. I don't want to keep you too long. Total market cap sitting at $2 trillion today, down to $77 billion in trading volume. So it's down significantly, guys, but I'm not too worried about that. Bitcoin sitting at 39%, 19% Ethereum. 24 hours, guys, we're in the red. Not too concerned about that. Top gain is obviously Cardano, IOTA, Litecoin, Oasis Network, Bitcoin Cash. Phantom is down as well, so probably a good entry point now while it's down. Now, let's have a look at my watch list for these gaming coins, because I think these ones are actually going to be really good, guys. Okay, so we've got Mana, Axie Infinity, ENJ, Meta Hero, Starlink, Alien Worlds, and Tower. 4 cents for Tower is incredible. Alien Worlds is at 16 cents. Starlink as well is got a lot of tokens there, so you just need to bear in mind the amount of supply, total supply in these projects. I'm just wondering if I can pull up Star Atlas here now, because I just want to check this. So I wasn't able to do it last time. Here it is. Now, Star Atlas is sitting at 7 cents USD right now. It's incredibly cheap. If you go to the last 90 days, I mean, this is where it was at the moment, peaking up here, you know, around the 15, 20 cents to peak that USD. So it's about 25 cents Australian. So it was quite expensive. So a good entry point right now is Star Atlas. I really think so anyway. But again, you've got to look at the supply. You go to these statistics down here. There's 36 billion Atlas. So it's not some insane $1 trillion project with coins. So, and circulating is 2.16, which is really nice. Market cap is under $1 billion, and the volume has been $9 million. So it is trading, guys. Atlas is on my radar to add this week to my portfolio. Obviously, these other ones here, guys, we've got GALA Games. I'm going to open this up now. So it's sitting at 30 cents. So in the last 90 days, it has had a 264% increase, which is ridiculous. But I mean, if you go to the supply, 35 billion GALA. So again, trillions are quite, it's going to be hard for it to get up in price, obviously, but anything can happen. The market cap's sitting at $2.1 billion. Volume is down under $1 billion at 300.382 billion. So again, GALA Games, really good project to add. They've got insane projects, and they're actually being used at the moment. And again, just have a look at them, guys, because I think this sector is going to explode. Let's go to my portfolio quickly. Let's have a look here. Bitcoin, 42,000 USD. Been holding at that $40,000 level. Hasn't dropped much below that. Cardano is $1.60 USD. XRP, I'm very bullish on at 76 cents. Dogecoin, 17 cents. Matic is at $2.23. Shiba Inu, Near Protocols at $17. Tron XLM is at 25 cents. Mana is at $2.90. Hedera, 26 cents. VeChain, 7 cents USD, guys. Very bullish on VeChain. Come on, it's so cheap. You can just dollar cost average into it. Sandbox, $4.59. Theta Network, $3.98 USD. The Graph, 55 cents. Web3 project. GALA Games, 30 cents, guys. Really cheap, honestly, for what it is and what's coming this year for gaming and metaverse. It's going to be huge. Oasis at 51 cents. Neo, $24. Amp, Ecomi, as well as under a cent. XDC, 8 cents. Very bullish on that USD. Holochain, Theta, Anchor, Ravane, Seacoin, Nervos Network is at 2 cents as well. Telcoin, MetaHero, Digibyte, Superfarm is at 1 cent. Winlink, XY is at 2 cents right now. XYO, very bullish on this, guys. It's going to be a part of the metaverse. Geospatial technology tracking, which is an awesome sector. Tracking, it's similar to VeChain. And again, it's got staking that is occurring on Coinbase, so you can earn rewards. There is an offer at the moment with Huobi where you can earn 100% in this short amount of time. I think it's only a couple of days, so you have to get that staked on Huobi, but I'm not doing that. Reserve Riots is at 2 cents. UFO Gaming is another gaming coin as well, which I think is going to do very well. But again, it has 25 trillion tokens, so the market cap is going to have a major factor here in terms of price. The volume, though, has been $12.1 million. So again, a lot of people are buying UFO, but the coin supply is really high, so just keep that in mind. Constellation DAG, Reef is at 1 cent as well. I'm very bullish on this, guys. It's on the Polkadot network. And again, once all this finance stuff comes out towards the end of this year, I think we're going to see an incredible rise in Reef, VTHO, Electronium, Digital Pound Foundation, holding that one for sure. Veracity, I'm staking that on Coinspot. Proton XPR, I like their payment system with the usernames. It's really cool. That's why I bought it. Kin, BTT, again, is Web3. Acropolis, Gas, I'm getting that from holding Neo. Ubix Network, Olympus DAO is down to $119. I may unstake it, guys, because it's just not returning hardly anything at the moment. So it's been a pretty downer, a down one to my portfolio, and Pipple as well, just a gamble. But that's pretty much it, guys. So the gaming coins I'm looking at, obviously, are Star Atlas here. I'm going to bring this article back up because I think it's really good to pull this up and show you. Obviously, the 5 coins: GALA Games, Star Atlas, Yield Guild Games, Tower, TLM, Immutable X as well is another one, but that's quite expensive, I believe. I think it's like $1,000 at the moment. So we'll have a look into that one. ENJ as well is definitely undervalued. So all the gaming coins, I think, are going to explode in the next couple of weeks or months. Let's stick with it, all right? Let me know in the comments below. Stay safe, guys. Peace, bye.